Hello everyone, for today's video I will teach you how to merge a layer quick. So in this video I have a sample, a floor plan that have a multiple layer. So in this is the layer properties manager. So as you can see, there's a lot of layer in the properties. So to merge into one layer, this is the step that our doing. So first we create a layer that we merge, or we locate the all layer in the properties in one layer. So let's say this is the plan. So let's try to put a color 8. Then after that, the next step is to merge the multiple layer in the properties. So if you choose the architectural layer sample, you can pick it one by one. So let's say this layer. So sample this layer. So right click, then merge selected layers. Then in this merge layer, go to the target layer. So this is our create layer, so we pick that layer, then okay, then yes. So as you can see, they are loading and merge. So the 11 layer will delete, then it go to the create layer plan. So if you select all layer, then will be then merge, then select the target layer, then okay, and yes. So this, so as more than multiple layer, the file will heavy to merge. That's why the application loading. So here's the result of merging layer. So we have a 24 layers deleted. So as you can see, the layer in the properties manager is a minimum or less layer on the properties. So that's it. So that's the merging layer in multiple layer. So thank you and be safe.